Hao bringing the action. The debut of Gilas Pilipinas 5-on-5 team, Dom. Muna natin makakatapat, Malaysia.
Yes, and very good afternoon. Oh, good drive to the basket. And alam natin katulad ni Matthew Wright, si Malonzo, Sturdy, si Bobby Ray Parks, and a three-point shot.
Relatively fresh ang mukha, either kasi debuting for Gilas or nagbabalik. And Matthew Wright,
Well, alam naman natin kapabilidad ni Matthew.
you know, and there was a lot of complications and there were a lot of concerns nung binubuo itong team na to. And that's gonna count for a boot raptor.
Weeks, I think, more or less to prepare. Outside shot here, and that's Bobby Ray Parks. That left-handed three-point shot of his.
Here it was Matthew Wright who hit one.
Alam mo talaga oh, that's a nice, good drive to the Obaso.
Lee pushing it. Wong, his shot goes in.
And the league is down
Vietnam kasi nga plus 26 yung Malaysia in
against
their win.
Vietnam. Yeah. Oh, nice three-point shot. At lumamang na dito ang Malaysia. And look at the fans of Malaysia. They've gone on a...
Vaughn, dead shot from deep,
Yes.
knocks it down.
Kaya kinuha yan para, you know, he's